Hey, it's Flissy. I'm here with a copy of my new book, Yoga Sequencing Secrets, Guiding Principles and Tools for Yoga Teachers. This is a proof copy. That's why it's got not for resale stamped all over it. Printed beautifully in this 8.5 by 11 form. It's a pretty slim volume, but it's got lots of great tools for yoga teachers, including sequencing principles, common mistakes that teachers make when planning classes, and also lots of great resources, including worksheets to help you plan your classes. Yoga Sequencing Secrets outlines essential and versatile principles for creating safe, effective yoga practices. I wrote this book because I witnessed so many new yoga teachers struggle with keeping up with the demands of planning multiple classes per week, and because I saw how little most yoga teacher trainings focus on sequencing and how few practical resources are available. I have a unique perspective based in Krishnamacharya lineage, thousands of hours teaching yoga and movement in a variety of contexts. I wrote Yoga Sequencing Secrets to demystify the process of planning yoga practices and to help yoga teachers make their class planning more efficient. Yoga Sequencing Secrets includes guiding principles for creating safe, effective yoga practices, common mistakes teachers make when planning classes and how to avoid them, step-by-step approaches to planning practices using unique worksheets, the magical worksheet, which can be applied to any style of yoga, the magical outline, a quick way to break down a yoga practice into a logical arc, and the yoga court checklist to evaluate your sequences. It also includes over a dozen sample sequences that represent a variety of styles and focus. Yoga Sequencing Secrets is available on Kindle on Amazon for pre-order. The paperback version will be available January 21st. You can also pre-order the paperback and I'll sign it for you at yogasequencingsecrets.com. If you love the book, it really helps me out if you give it a review and a share on Amazon. Thanks for watching and happy sequencing. Bye.